Thing works very well. Haven't had a lot of experience with it prior to owning it, but didn't take long to learn. A 16-inch bucket. I also have a 12-inch bucket, and they change quite easily. This is your outrigger. Another outrigger on the other side for stabilizing the unit when you're using it. Your reach, your boom, your controls for the outriggers. The unit's designed to be run either off a PTO pump unit or ran integral to the hydraulics on the tractor. I've chosen to go with the PTO pump. If I could learn it, anybody can.